Hey everybody, it's Jonathan with EXP. I'm out here in Chesapeake again, same neighborhood from the other day, Norfolk Highlands. I'm at a different house that's just been, had a quick restoration done to it. This is not as intense as the last one, but it's a very good house nonetheless. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,340 square foot. And yeah, it's pretty nice. We'll take a tour, walk around, and see how it looks. All right, standing directly in front of the front door, pan to our left here, a nice living room area with a gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, pod lights everywhere. To your right here is the kitchen dining room area. Nice big bar for the kitchen. Yeah, not bad. I love the vaulted ceilings in here, makes it feel way bigger. Yeah, you can see the porch out there goes from one side of the house to the other. All right, let's go down the hallway. Pantry. I think we've all seen those before. Linen closet, coat closet. Washer dryer hookups. First bedroom on the left. Not bad, has a fixture, unlike some of the other houses we've been seeing lately. Ooh, forgot to turn the light on for this bathroom. It's a good sized bathroom here. Look at that. Come out of there. Other bedroom. Look at that. So both the smaller bedrooms here have nice sized closets in them. Let's go into the master. Should probably have the lights on before I started this. Much bigger closet in here than the other two rooms. They also have an ensuite. And this back door goes to the backyard with a deck. We'll be back in a minute. Was gonna go outside, then it decided to rain. So we're not gonna do that. Decent sized backyard. Plenty of room for parties, playing, fires, whatever you want. And now we're gonna head out into the garage. It's a tall garage. So rails for the garage door, and it still goes up 2 feet beyond that. So a lot of vertical storage. As you can see, they already started using. So, not bad. This is a nice little garage. So that's 2 renovations we've looked at in 2 days. The previous house had way more done to it, so it probably needed more. This house has the painting done, the flooring done. It looks like it has new cabinets, some new hardware here and there, but overall it's looking really good. And it's nice to see that when they're going through and rehabbing these places, they're not cutting corners or just slapping some paint on. What I've seen so far, stuff is fixed. There's no giant blemishes in the wall where they decided just to patch over a hole. They did it correctly. It blends in with the rest of the wall. So I like it. I like what I'm seeing. Have a good day.
If you like today's content of this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see other videos that I've made, please subscribe. Have a good day.